want to show you what you can do with the group function on tutorial. I'm sorry, on Sophia. This is a pretty important tool here that's really useful for student groups or even professional development groups, maybe all the teachers in a school or all the teachers in a district if you're wanting to use Sophia as a professional development tool. So I'm going to show you how you create a group, and in the process I'll talk about what's the purpose in a group. So you just do create new again. You can see it's pretty simple. And of course, Sophia walks you through the process, so we'll just type in a test group 2. And then there's a description. You could put your description there, maybe your specific class or subject or professional development group, whatever goes there. And then, of course, you can add an image. It's always optional. You can add your school. I highly recommend that for K-12 or university or even professional development. So any one of those, just add your school as an option. And of course your grade level. One of the things that Sophia allows in your groups is you can choose the option to allow your users to add content instead of just viewing the content. So let's say, for example, you wanted to create a group for all the teachers who teach science in your school, and you wanted to give them, or you yourself as a science teacher wanted to give all the other teachers the ability to add their own content. That would be a great way to share resources. And so you would want to obviously allow them to add their own content. You could also do this with a classroom. Say you wanted to have students make their own tutorials as an assignment, then you would allow them to add the content to your particular group, and that would be a great way, to give them an assessment of a topic or just some practice. So we're just going to click Create. You can see here, this is the group page. This is what the creator of the group sees. And you can see up here in the right hand corner, there is a group invite code. You must have the group invite code in order to join a group. So once the group is created, you need to send this invite code out to the people that you want to join the group, classroom of students or teachers or whatnot, and so they have to have this individualized group code. But once they have that, you'll be able to join the group and they would have access to all the content. Of course, the content that you're adding is the tutorials that either you have created or that you find on Sophia. Those that are made public are accessible to the world, so you can actually add content. You can see here some of the recently viewed content here that you could just choose. So you just choose the tutorials that you've created, and then your group has access to it. You can also see over here on the right hand side there's a comment wall, so there's a discussion board along with the group, and so you can add comments, your group members can add comments, and also announcements. So there's a whole discussion component there, and there's a group. So that's what it looks like from the actual owner view, from a user view. I'll show you one of my groups. So I'm going to click on groups here. This is my middle school's Sophia group. And I'm not the owner, so this is what the view looks like. You can see where all of these people have added, different teachers in my school have added certain content. So we all have access to their particular tutorials that they've used. Also, you can see here what the group wall looks like, the actual discussion board looks like. So that's kind of how you view the groups and the purpose in the group. So hopefully you get a better understanding of how that all works. And all of this is accessible from your home page once you log in to Sophia.